Wow, splitting logs can be a lot of work, especially if you've ever tried doing it with an axe. If you have a lot of wood to split, chances are good you need a power log splitter. And we've got a Yardmax 35-ton, full beam, two-way gas log splitter powered by this phenomenal Briggs Stratton engine that works in harmony with the Yardmax hydraulic system. And this device, believe it or not, will split logs that are up to 26 inches long. And for a piece of aged oak, it will split a log that is a whopping 36 inches in diameter. That's a big log. Chances are good you don't have 36-inch logs to split. And if you don't, and you don't need a 35-ton, the good news is that Yardmax has a full line of gas and electric powered log splitters that you can choose from. And like this log splitter, it's completely portable. I tow this on the back of my pickup, and with a dolly, I can move it around my property quite easily. But if I've got something up in the mountains, I've got a ranch I've got to go to and split some logs with a friend, I can hook it up to the back of the pickup and be there in no time. The full beam means that it runs from the toe plate, which, by the way, with this particular model, rotates, and that provides a safer, less stressful experience for the log splitter. The full beam gives greater strength and more stability, and it runs from the foot plate all the way across to the ram. Now, there are half beam models that you might want to choose from if you don't need something quite as robust as the 35-ton. The two-way means that it will split wood both horizontally and vertically. So if you do come across a 36-inch, all right, okay, 18 to 24 inches diameter log, you don't want to have to hoist it up to the top of the beam and split it there. You can actually do it in the vertical position, which makes managing the log really easy. So the two-way feature on this particular log splitter is really, really important. Also, there is a two-way wedge that will split the logs in two ways, just like an axe would. But if you have a big log and you want to do a four-way split, they have the four-way splitter, which is absolutely phenomenal. And as you can see, this is a four-way wedge that will split the log, as the name implies, in four ways. I think part of what we do at On the House with the Carey Brothers is have a look at products that bring value to the American consumer. We've spent 30 years doing that as consumer advocates, and Yardmax meets that Carey Brothers test. It's a product that's powerful. It's a product that is portable. It's very versatile with the two-way split, vertical and horizontal. It just is a reliable piece of equipment, and I think that if you're looking for a log splitter, it's something that you should take a close look at. And if it's not the 35-ton that will do the trick for you, perhaps it's an electric model that can be used indoors or undercover without fear of carbon monoxide. Of course, whenever you're using a gas appliance like this gas log splitter, you don't want to use it indoors because of the exhaust. The advantage, of course, of the gas-powered model is that you can operate it anywhere on the back 40. Just haul it out there, back of your pickup like I do, fill it with gas, and go to work. I mean, go to fun. If you'd like to learn more about the Yardmax line of gas and electric log splitters, and by the way, they also have construction equipment too. That's for another segment, another day. But if you'd like to learn more about their products, I invite you to visit their website. It's really terrific. Lots of great information, and even information on how to select a size that will best work for you based on log size. And log diameter. You can go to their website. It is yardmax.com. And don't forget to tell them the Carey brothers told you.